Pillars TV for visiting us as the Bungoma Young Farmers Club. And so today we are going to take you through our kitchen garden. Before that, my name is Ricky Gatirio and I have my friend Rick here.
Okay, my name is Yongesa name. The way my friend has said, we are going to show you different methods of kitchen garden. Welcome.
Our kitchen garden is whereby a technique whereby most of the farmers, like the local farmers, where they lack land and they can acquire that small space to grow their vegetables, their crops, and in some cases fruits. Yeah, so it can be acquired in our homesteads easily. So first of all, we are going to start with this we call it corn garden. Yeah, so this is a corn garden. We can plant here our crops, our vegetables. The crops that we normally plant in this corn garden is we can start with spinach, we can grow sukuma wiki, and even our indigenous vegetables like managu and etc, etc. So this corn garden, you can call it multi-story garden, whereby when it up story is whereby we can mix sukuma wiki, spinach, and example managu, even strawberry, and even like onions, so that you can prevent some pests. So this is the corn garden. So next we are going to the vertical bag garden or sack garden, whereby you can use the locally available materials like to prepare our soil. First we can take our topsoil and mix it with the manure so that we can come up with this structure that we call it vertical bag garden or sack garden. First of all, when we want to make this sack garden, we take a pipe and we insert inside this sack that pipe. Then we took our already mixed soil and manure. Then we put that pipe of ours here inside where we have placed this our stones. Then we place our soil around this bag. Then we took these stones and we start inserting them inside the pipes. Yeah. Then we pull it upwards slowly so that these stones can enter in easily. Now the purpose of these stones, why are they here? My friend can help us.
Thank you. The reason for placing these stones inside here, first reason is that to allow the penetration of water inside, then to facilitate easy or entrance of air.
Water, maybe at some cases whereby we have a drought, can easily come out with our water and doing irrigation and pour our water inside here so that the water can find easy space to penetrate inside the soil, and even air. Yeah. So we are going to our moisture bed. So this whereby you can use the plastic bags to come up with this structure in this small space whereby you can acquire more vegetables which can help us in our homesteads or even commercially. We can even earn our living through this process. So my friend here can help us explain how we can come up with this structure and the materials that help us to come up with this.
This is a moist garden, and this is constructed whereby you come up with a circle, and this circle can be made using these sacks. You can just cut it in a way that you can hold your soil tightly to prevent fold it properly to hold your soil tightly. And the reason of doing this one can help you conserve your water properly, so that water can be utilized by your crops. So you after making those this circle using your sacks. Then you mix your soil with some manure. Then up here we have some sticks. These sticks can help you to. It's a circle. It's made of a circle like a structure. Then inside you place there manure. So manure that will be placed inside there during rain or any irrigation that will be done, it will disperse that manure regularly inside the soil that will be placed in these sacks.
We are going to the in-ground and the raised beds where you can walk. How to come up with this in-ground garden? You can just form it like the underground bed, whereby we do like how we just prepare our nursery bed, but under the ground, and after that preparing that we can mix our topsoil and our manure so that we can come out with a good composition of the structure of soil so that our crops will be well up grown. So we can grow here the herbs and indigenous crops, sukuma wiki, spinach, for a homestead to acquire that food. So next we are going to the raised garden. So here with us we have the raised garden, of which we measured 1 meter by 8 meter. That's our measurement. And we just prepare it like the nursery bed, raised nursery bed. Here we come up with this our beds, like just like the nursery beds, and we mix our soils well with our manure and come up with this structure. Here with us we see we have grown sukuma wiki, and we have also grown our onions. The reasons or the essence why we have mixed the onions with the sukuma wiki is to prevent some pests. We have some pests whereby when they want to attack this our sukuma wiki, that aromatic smell of that onions can easily repel that pest from attacking our sukuma wiki. So we can go now to our next garden and walk.
A keyhole garden, whereby you form it in a way that looks like a key. Then materials that you can use includes bricks here or any other local material that can make your structure look like in a design that it looks like a key. Then inside here, the center, there is a hole. The reason for this hole is to hold more water that can be utilized by the crops during dry seasons and of weather seasons. The reason for using these bricks here is just to prevent this soil from, it's just to bind together the soil. Since the soil has been mixed with manure, so it has to bind it together, enables the crops to utilize the required nutrients in the soil. So I think that is all about the whole garden.
Tutafute kwale kwa mtandao wa Zillers TV on YouTube, TikTok na kila mahali, Zillers TV na Zillers Media. Na kwa kutaka ujumbe mwingi sana tutafute kwa namba yetu ya 0717023089. Nimekuwa wako Elijah Wangila, mwanahabari kutoka Zillers TV. Asante sana na tukutane tena wakati mwingine na kundi la Young Farmers Club wakituonyesha mambo mengi, kwa sababu umeona hii shamba iko na vitu mingi sana, mimea mingi sana, na tutajaribu kuwaonyesha kila aina ya mimea ambayo inapandwa katika hili shamba, na tukutane pale YouTube kila Jumamosi na Jumapili tukiangalia hizi vitu za young farmers wakitupa mafunzo mengi kuhusu upandaji ama agriculture. Asanteni sana, tuonane wakati mwingine.